Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you this brand unboxing and review of the KitchenAid expandable rack with Stemware attachment. I recently purchased the KitchenAid expandable rack and wanted to share my experience unboxing and using it. Here the detailed review according to me. So the first one is the unboxing experience. Upon the receiving the package, I found the KitchenAid rack well packed and protect. The box including clear instruction, which is very helpful for me, and which made assembly straightforward. The component were neatly organized and all necessary parts were included. And assembling the rack was easy and didn't require any tool. So it's a good part. It's consists of attaching the steamware attachment securely and adjusting the rack to fit my dishwasher dimension. And the expandable feature allow me to customize it perfect to my dishwasher size. And the design and building quality is so good. The rack is made to a material that feel durable and capable of withstand out regular use. The steamware attachment securely hold wine glasses and any other kind of delicate item prevent from moving around your washing cycle. So the adjustable times make it versatile for different type of size and conformations. And the functionality, I found the rack to be a highly functional. It accommodates a variety of dishes and utilize of effectively. The steamware attach is a standout feature as it holds with the wine glasses surely in a place preventing from the knocking against other dishes and potential getting damaged. So this is a good one, and this is a particularly useful for anyone who frequently wash delicate to glasswares. And the last thing, in the term of performance, the rack does an excellent job for ensuring through the cleaning. The design allow water and detergent to reach all items effectively, result in a continually and clean dishes. I have noticed no issue with the or impurity cleaning due to the rack. So according to me, the overall the this rack is a well designed and functional accessory for any dishwasher. It combines two robust and considerations with the practical features like the steamware attachment, making it a worthwhile. And they also give you the one manual, so you can easily assemble this. The easy of assembling and adjustable features enhances its appeal and various kitchen needs seamlessly. So overall, I think it's if you're looking to update your dishwasher accessories, especially for handling the delicate steamware, this rack is definitely worth considering. This review capture my experience with the product should help you decide if it's meet your own kitchen needs or not. It's deliver on its promise and of durability, functionality, and easy to use, making dishwashing a more effectively and reliable process. So I think this is good. It does a great job for cleaning dishes, the water and soap reaching everything well. So dishes come out and clear each time. I have not noticed any issue with its like leaving stuff behind. So I'm really happy with this rack. It's well built, easy to use, and perfect for everyone who want to wash delicate glasses safely. Or if you are thinking about getting one, I definitely recommend this one. And this is